guys, I'm Princey and welcome back to my channel Angst Cadbury. If you are new to viewer to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you for showing me your love by subscribing to my channel. I have hit more than 600 plus customers subscribers now. They are our dream team is growing big and big, and yes, I'm waiting for that first achievement of mine, that is the silver play button. I know it will take long time, but I am expecting it, and I know you guys will make it happen. So stay tuned to my channel for more videos. And today in this video I am going to share with you this makeup look. This is for the upcoming Christmas. So Merry Christmas in advance, and may Lord Jesus showers all his blessing upon you and on the world. So stay tuned if you are interested in having this makeup tutorial, because I have tried something new today, that is bold lips with bold red lips, and this is smoky eyes. I have tried the smoky eyes in a new style. So stay tuned if you are interested in watching this makeup tutorial. So to start with, I am using this Patanjali aloe vera gel as a face primer and a moisturizer. If you have watched my earlier videos, then you would have known that how I can't go without this Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is a lifesaver for me. Next, I am using this Merlin foundation, liquid foundation, as my foundation today. I will be shaking it a bit, and then with the help of the applicator, I am applying it all over my face, neck, nose. And then with the help of this Vega foundation brush, I am blending it into my skin. This is the first time I am using this foundation brush in order to blend my foundation. Otherwise, I preferably like using my hands to blend the foundation onto my skin. I love this foundation because it is a liquid foundation and it is very easy to work out with it. So I am blending it with my foundation brush, and afterwards I will be moving on to my concealer. So I am using this Lollipop Paris concealer in the shade, I will be mentioning it into the description box. Oh yeah, I remember it. It is Biscuit 24. So I am applying it under my under eye areas, on the highest point of my face, near my lip corner and near the nostril corner and on my chin. I am blending it with the help of my ring finger. Next, I am taking this loose powder from Lakme Rose Powder. I love this powder a lot because it gives a pinkish tinge to my skin. I feel as if my skin looks more healthier when I apply this powder. So maximum I am using this loose powder. With the help of the powder brush, I am puffing it all over my face. Next, taking this Cameo long lasting eye pencil, and with the help of the angular brush, I am going to do my eyebrows. Doing your eyebrows is very important in a makeup because it makes your eyes more prominent and distinct, and you can see the difference between the two eyebrows. My left eyebrow is done and the right eyebrow is not done, and you can see it. So after doing my eyebrows, I will be moving on to my eye makeup. I am taking this HR eye pencil and drawing a wink eyeliner. Since it is a bold makeup of a wink eyeliner, I am going for a dramatic eyes. So wink eyeliner is very easy to draw. All you need is a lot of practice. And I am comfortable with this eyeliner pen. I am not comfortable with the brush eyeliner. I always find difficulty in drawing a wink liner on my left eye. So sorry if the mirror is being an obstacle for you. I know the mirror is hiding the way I am drawing the wing liner, but I can't help because I always find difficulty in drawing my left eye. If you guys also find a difficulty in drawing your left eye, then do let me know. Or only am I the person that I am finding difficulty? So I am going to finish with my wing eyeliner now. So done with my eyeliner now. Next I am moving on to taking the eye pencil, Maybelline Colossal Kajal eye pencil, and drawing I am lining up my lower lash line and the upper lash line and smudging off it with the angular brush I have used earlier. And you have noticed that I have drawn this eyeliner halfway. I have not drawn full. Next, taking this black eyeshadow from my AIDS eyeshadow shiner, I am just depositing the color over my eyeliner in order to give a shimmer to my eyeliner. Since it is a party-holic look, I am going for more shimmer. Next I am taking this pink, or just you can say a shiner look, in order to highlight my arc of my eyebrows. Next I am taking this golden color shimmer and applying it to the crease of my eyelid and the other portion of the eyelid. Then after applying all this, I will blend it together with the flat brush. Blending of the eyeshadow is very important, otherwise you will be left out with the harsh lines of application of the eyeshadow. So blend it well, take some time and blend it together. Next I am taking this metallic bronze color and depositing at the middle of the eye and then patting it with a flat brush. This will make my eye look more prominent and popped out. Now to end my eye makeup, I am putting on this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. I am applying it on my upper lashes and then on my lower lashes, and that's it. That finish off my eye makeup for today. So next I'm taking this bronzing pearls from Oriflame, and with the sponge provided with the product, I am applying it on my cheekbones and then on my jawline, then on my forehead, in order to make a shadow effect on my face. I am also applying this on the corners of my nose to make my nose look pointed. And then I am taking this Be Bombshell Riot, shade is Riot, yes, lip stain, and then I am lining up my outer line of my lips. Then I am filling up my lips with this. The problem I am finding with this lip stain is that the applicator given with this lip stain is not so good. I don't find any problem in applying my lower lips, but yes, I am finding difficulty in applying this lip stain on my upper lip. So I have taken some time and see this how I am applying it. But I am in love with this shade. And next I am taking this Bonjour white eye pencil in the shade 011. Then I am using it as a highlighter and then blending it with my same foundation brush, Vega foundation brush. Blending is the secret of all flawless makeup, so blend it well. Take some time in blending everything, that is your foundation, your concealer and your highlighter, your bronzer. So take some time and you will end up with flawless and natural looking makeup. So last but not the least, I am wearing all my jewelry. First my nose pin, then my earrings, and this body mist from, I will be linking the name in the description box, because at present I have forgotten the name. So I am all done with it. Last but not the least, I am spraying this homemade gulab gel. I have already done a DIY tutorial on it though, so I will be keeping the link in the I button. Check it out. While the rose water dries up onto my skin and make my makeup look flawless and set my makeup, I will do my hair. Since my hair is wet because I have washed it a couple of hours before, so I will be keeping like this. You can go for any hairstyle. Next I'm putting my sindoor and I'm all done. Hope you like my video, and if yes, then like to banti hai yaar. Hit that like button down below if you have liked this makeup tutorial and my makeup look, and do keep sharing my videos because I believe that sharing is caring, and do comment on my videos because I have joined YouTube to make friends out with you. So whenever you stop by my channel, do comment on my videos so that I know that you were here and we can talk back, and communication is always a two-way communication, so we can make friends out there. So stay tuned for more videos. Until my next video, love you, take care, and bye.